Hi, my name is Dr. Alfred Martin. I am Associate Professor and Chair of the Department of Cinematic Arts at the University of Miami School of Communication. Storytelling is at the heart of all we do in the School of Communication. In Cinematic Arts, we offer a Bachelor of Science in Motion Pictures degree, which is designed for students passionate about creating media content with a focus on advanced technical skills and innovative storytelling. Students can choose from one of 6 tracks to hone their craft and skills: production, screenwriting, business, television writing, critical studies, or studio. The studio track is our most flexible option, perfect for students who want to tailor the major to their unique creative and professional goals. Regardless of track, our students graduate with essential skills and proficiencies, like screenwriting fundamentals like formatting, structure, and character development, a strong foundation in media history, theory, and genre, and hands-on production experiences in directing, cinematography, editing, and sound. Beyond the classroom, students can leverage internships, extracurricular organizations, guest master classes, study abroad programs, and our Los Angeles program. They can check out industry-grade gear from our state-of-the-art equipment lab, edit their work in our editing lab, complete with a Foley sound studio, and premiere their work right here on campus at the Bill Cosford Theater. Each year, we select student filmmakers to screen their films in Los Angeles for the Cannes LA Film Showcase in front of industry professionals and alumni. These opportunities are designed to help bridge the gap between learning and doing, and between the university and the working world. I'm so excited about the work coming out of our department, and I look forward to seeing your application and welcoming you into the program. Go Canes!